Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see about a free course to learn about digital marketing from scratch. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses, guided projects and certification programs from 275 plus leading universities and companies around the world, including Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Duke University, HEC Paris, Stanford University, Johns Hopkins University. So a lot of major universities and companies around the world are offering online courses via this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus. This will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, hands-on projects, and job-ready certification programs provided by some big companies like Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. So now let's move on and see the free digital marketing course. So this digital marketing bootcamp for beginners is a free course offered by Board Infinity, using which we can learn a lot of fundamental concepts related to digital marketing in different areas. And this is a beginner level course. You can see that here. So even if you do not have any prior knowledge in this field, you can still enroll in it. You can learn everything in this course because this is designed for beginners who are just starting from scratch. And this is a self-paced course, so you can just set your own schedule for it and complete it whenever you have time. So in this course, you can learn from industry experts. You can see that here. You have 20 plus hours of premium learning content for you, and it will cover a lot of different topics. So we'll see about that in a minute. So before that, here are a few things which you should know about this program. So you can just learn from the comfort of your home and you can upgrade your skills. So after completing the program, you will get a clarity about the field of digital marketing. You can get it from industry experts, and you can also acquire a certificate of completion after completing this program properly. So now let's move on and see what you learn in this particular program. You can see here the syllabus. So there are 7 modules in this particular program, starting with the first one, which is fundamentals of digital marketing, where you learn the very basic things in digital marketing. Next one is consumer behavior. So this is something which I love about this course, because in traditional marketing, people speak a lot about consumer behavior when it comes to course or something like that. But when it comes to online course in digital marketing, not a lot of people speak about consumer behavior, but they have covered this consumer behavior concept, and that is something that I love about this particular course. Next one is social media marketing. So for social media marketing, you have 14 hours of learning content, and then they'll cover about paid advertising. You have 5 hours of learning content for this particular module, and then you'll get to learn about search engine optimization, which is commonly referred as SEO. So you have 6 hours of learning content for this particular module, and then you'll dive into search engine marketing. So for this particular module, you have 10 hours of learning content. And finally, there is a web analytics module, and here you have 5 hours of learning content. So these are the 7 different modules which are going to be covered in this particular course. If you find any of these terms like social media marketing, paid advertising, SEO very new, do not worry about it, because that is what you're going to learn in this particular program. So make use of it if you want to learn digital marketing, and you will get a lifetime access for this course. So once you enroll in it, you can get lifetime access. You can see that here, will I have lifetime access to this course. So once you enroll in this digital marketing course, you will have lifetime access to the course. So you can log in whenever you want and take the course and learn everything. And this is the best thing, you can get lifetime access. And here they have given how long does it take to complete this program. If you have 20 hours of learning content, it will take at least 22 or 24 hours for you to complete the program in a proper way. So just because it is self-paced, do not hurry, just learn properly. So you have to spend like around 20 to 24 hours to complete the program in a proper way. And then the next question is, will I get a certificate after completing the program? So yes, on successful completion of the program, you will receive a digital marketing certification from Board Infinity. And who can enroll in this? So I would say anyone who wants to learn about digital marketing can enroll in this course, because even if 90% is not new to us, 10% might be new to us, and that will help us in growing better. So I would suggest anyone who wants to learn digital marketing in depth to take this course. So now let's move on and see how you can enroll in this free digital marketing course offered by Board Infinity. So once you are on this program page, just click on this login at the right top and then click on here sign up. So you can join this platform with your Google account, or else you can also use your LinkedIn account, or else simply click on the sign up with email and fill the details manually here and click on sign up and create your Board Infinity account and log into it. And once you are logged into your account, click on this take course button and you can just jump into the course and start learning for absolutely free of cost. And after completing the program, you can also get your certification. So I hope you'll find this digital marketing bootcamp course offered by Board Infinity very useful. This is absolutely free, so make use of it if you want to learn digital marketing. And if you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.